What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Locked In with Trey and A. Today we got another banger. We are going to be going over the different stages of dreadlocks and what you, if you're starting out your locks right now, what you can look forward to. So, hey, without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, now the first stage in the dreadlock journey is the starter lock phase. And as you can see, this guy is most definitely in the starter lock phase. He got the little nubs or the little, look like BDBs or what people would call BDBs, but they're not. It's just real tight, real small locks. He most definitely just started his lock journey because as you can see his scalp real good. It almost looked like he got a buzz cut. From a long ways away, just looking at him, he probably looked like he got a fade or something like that because his hair is so short. And if you are starting your locks right now, this is probably what your hair looks like, depending on what length your hair was when you started your locks. If you started at a very low length, like if you're coming out of the Caesar hairstyle, you know what I mean? Your hair is probably gonna look like this if you choose to start your locks this low. Me, for instance, I didn't start my locks this low. I started growing my hair from waves. I had a little high top curl going on and I started my locks that way. And y'all gonna be able to see all the videos. You can see them now if you go back and look at all the videos, and make sure you subscribe. I forgot to tell y'all to subscribe. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. That way all the videos come directly to your doorstep and you won't miss a thing. But anyway, go check out the videos because you'll see when I started, I had the little high top curl going on and I used the curl sponge and everything like that. But hey, I got a video for that. Y'all go check that out. Moving on. This guy, he most definitely started when he had just enough hair to grab and twist. Me personally, because I never went to a loctician, I'm not sure if you need a comb coil, you know what I'm saying, to start your hair that way, but that's what it looked like. It looked like comb coil, so you know what I mean? That looked like he probably went to a loctician and got it done, maybe. But as uniformed as it looks like a loctician done it or somebody who is a loctician and done it at their house or whatever, you know what I'm saying? It looked professionally done, that's all I'm saying. But yeah, this is what you got to look forward to when you starting your hair out. So if you in your starter lock phase, I salute you. You got a long ways to go. Do not give up. Everybody got to go through this stage that does it natural and organically. But hey, I salute you. Keep going. Moving on. All right, coming out of the little nub stage, the starter lock phase, you're still in the starter lock, realm, but you start to see your locks budding. And what I mean by budding is you start to see the little ball puffs in between each dread. Like this dread would have like a big ball in between it. And that means your hair is locking up, and that's what you want to see. That means that your hair is on the right track, your locks are on the right track, and you coming out of that starter phase. Not quite, but you're at least out of the little nub stage and really worrying about your hair unraveling whenever you wash your hair. Now this stage is not the best looking stage. This is the rough stage, or what they call the ugly stage. But to each his own. What seems ugly to somebody might not be ugly to somebody else. So hey, rock you, do you look good, keep going, man. But yes, this is the next stage coming out of the little starter locks, the budding stage. And hey, it's not the best looking, like I said before, but it's part of the process, man. So unless you're gonna wear a hat all the time, you're gonna rock. This is what you look like underneath the hat. We know, like if you got the little bitty locks and you always wearing a hat and people are always around you, see you with a hat on, they probably like, yeah, you looking kind of rough under there, I know. But hey, it's a part of the game, and I'm happy that you on this journey. I salute you. Keep going, brother. Keep going, sister. We all in this together, and we're gonna stay supporting each other. So I salute you. Keep going, because you on the journey for real. Anyway, moving on. The next thing you have to look forward to coming out of the budding stage is the fuzzy stage. And this is the stage that I'm kind of in, but I'm coming out of right now, right before maturity level. Even though my hair isn't super long, I've been at it for like 10 months, and y'all have heard that in my other previous videos. 10 months in the game, and hey, I can't wait to hit that year mark and show you guys the progress from when I first started all the way up until now. And trust me, it's gonna be a phenomenal thing. But yes, when you transition out of the hair button stage, you are gonna enter in the fuzzy stage, the tangled, your hair trying to figure out where it's gonna go. It's not really budding anymore. It's locked in. You can wash your hair. You can pretty much wash and go, but your hair might not look uniformed all the time. It'll be real bushy looking. It'll look like a big basket of tumbleweeds in your head. And I'm trying to tell you, like, your hair is gonna be tangled up and it's gonna be everywhere. You're gonna be like, man, my hair look a mess some days. Some days it look good. I don't know what's going on. And that's what I'm trying to tell you. This is what you got to look forward to. You are now in the teenager stage, the teenager phase. And you know, teenagers, they hard-headed. You know, sometimes they good. They can be responsible sometimes, and sometimes they don't even know how to spell responsible. And that is this stage right here. As you can see, her hair is everywhere right now. But hey, it's part of the process. And if you make it through this stage, you're almost there. You are almost there. It doesn't take that long to get to mature locks. Most of the time you see people with the long locks that's uniform and they look good. They've been in the game 5+ years, 10+ years. But it does not take that long to reach maturity level. Really, it can take a year up to 2 years to reach maturity level, depending on your hair texture and how fast your hair grows. But no, it does not take 5 years, 10 years to reach maturity level. Those 5-year and 10-year locks are people that's been mature for a long time, and they're set in their ways and they can do whatever they want. It's not fuzzy. They look uniform. They're beautiful. And hey, if you could just wait it out a year to 2 years, man, you will be there and you'll be happy you did it. But yes, this level right now, the teenage level, you're gonna have to fight them bad boys. You're gonna have to fight through it, man, because trust me, that's where I'm at. I just got through washing my hair, and yeah, I'm just letting them do what they do. You know what I'm saying? I ain't twisted up or nothing. I just washed it and let them go. You know what I'm saying? Let them dry. I'm thinking about twisting my hair up all to the back. I haven't done that yet, so I figured I'd do something different. But anyway, that's a video for another day. And last but not least, after everything you've been through, after all the journey, after you make it through the starter phase, the budding phase, the teenager fuzzy phase, now you have the mature phase, and everybody wants to have the mature locks. And believe it or not everybody makes it to the mature level because they give up. They run into the budding phase and the fuzzy phase, and they like, hey, I can't rock with this. This is hard to maintain. I don't like how people looking at me. I don't like how people judging me. All that stuff that comes with growing locks out, the journey of growing locks that relates a lot to life. You don't want people to deter you off of your path. And locks are a great symbolization of life because the process and the progress and when you start and how you finish and all that stuff in between that make or break people, you know what I mean? But the maturity level, it's self-explanatory. Look at it. It's well kept together. It looks healthy. It's not fuzzy. It looks full, thick, and like you can do anything with it you want. Wash, go, dress it however you want, style it however you want. And don't get me wrong, this doesn't mean that you can't dress up or dress down the other phases, but the maturity level, you can dress it up however you want. It's easy. You don't even have to dress it up. You can just let them hang and let them be free. And they speak for itself, man. I mean, business attire, date night or just chilling, whatever you want to do, sports, going to the gym, just going to check your mail, you know what I mean? It don't matter. Like, the mature level is where everybody wants to be. And if you wait that year to 2 years, man, you're going to be there. You're going to be there in no time. It's going to pass and you're going to be like, man, finally, I can start doing what I want to do. And also keep in mind, now, take it for what you want, but if you want to dye your hair, me personally, in my opinion, I would wait all the way up until my year mark before I started dyeing my hair, even the tips. Now, you can get away with dyeing your tips before your year mark, but do not touch your roots before your year mark because you're going to completely fry your hair. And you don't want to be that person that's walking around with fried, dry looking hair, like unhealthy hair. So that's just a small tip I'm gonna throw in there for you guys. I have another video talking more in detail about that, so go and check that out. I'll probably run it up across here if I can remember. So pay attention up here. If you see it pop up, click on it and it'll take you to it. But hey, the maturity level, like I said, it speaks for itself. And hey, that's the crown, you know what I mean? That's the lion's mane. That's the freedom crown is what I call it. But Hey, it looks good. And everybody who's made it to the maturity level, I salute you. You deserve your crown. You look good in it, and I cannot wait to reach that level because I'm gonna rock mine. I'm gonna rock mine. I don't care. I'm gonna dress it up. I can't wait to go crazy with it. Boy. But anyways, guys, that is it for the video. Thanks for watching. If you like what you see, go ahead and smash that like button because the algorithm loves it. And make sure you hit that notification bell like I said before because you don't want to miss these videos. I'm dropping them every week just for you guys. So, hey, stay locked. Keep rocking with your boy here on Locked In with Trey. And, hey, you already know what it is. It's your boy Trey Smith bringing you love, peace, and prosperity forevermore throughout your life. Don't you forget it. And I'll see you guys on the next video. All right, peace.